What you doing now, Dave?
Tracking down an _��𝗡𝗞𝗦.
Figure out where it was at?
Yep. Right here.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our 𝗣𝗟𝗡𝗞𝗦, and our smart car 𝗣𝗟𝗡𝗞𝗦. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Sprayed it with some
Soapy
stuff,
water.
and there it was, huh?
There she blows.
Yeah. Aren't you glad I got good hearing?
I might have to get a new fitting here.
Yeah. I got out of the car and I could hear it.
So, I'm sure there ain't a Volvo place around here. Had to get a new fitting.
Had to drive an hour to go get it, too.
Had to drive an hour to go get it because there's a little rubber ring in there, little O-ring, that they do not sell. You have to buy the whole fitting.
And make sure you have your VIN number with you if you go without your truck.
Yes, got to have your VIN number. So we're just going to take this and screw this up in here like that.
Hopefully this will be a nice quick fix, huh?
Yeah, I wouldn't call it quick, but it's a easy fix.
Yeah, we just jinxed yourself, right?
Yep. Now it should do it right there.
That should be it?
That's it.
That's all?
That's all.
Okay, so now you got to start her up and see what happens, huh?
And I got to get the keys.
I think it's your connections. Oh yeah, you can even feel it.
Oh, there's one
You're
seal.
taking the seal off the glad hands here.
Yep. Take the old seal out.
How's it look?
A little worn out.
You're gonna replace all of them here and on the RV?
Why not?
So you got a whole bag of these things, huh? Ooh, Amazon, right?
Amazon.com. Look at that. Done.
Did they used to have colors on them?
No.
Oh.
That's it. Look at that.
Ooh. That was the one that was leaking.
That baby wore out.
It sure is.
Be a bummer to lose brakes. Boy, that thing don't want to play.
Is that a different kind?
No, they're all universal.
That explains the _�ṛ𝗡𝗞𝗦.
Yeah, it does.
But now they all got new ones, so. Because one was ready to go, another was probably going to be ready to go.
Yeah. See, that one's getting pretty tore up.
Yeah, it is.
There's a lot to this trucking game.
Yeah, there is. But you're glad you got the air brakes, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. I could get confidence I can stop. Whoop. There it is. That's it.
Okay. Blue dot system.
Yep. Just a little simple things like that can cause a big headache. Big headache.
So how many beers for both of those air leaks?
For the one I had to drive to Tucson and back?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a case.
Because of the drive?
It was a 4-hour tour.
That kind of was, wasn't it?
It was.
How about for this one?
Well, this one I'll just give it 1 beer.
Okay.
But wait a minute, I had to order these, so that doesn't.
Ordering does not count. That's
I'm
sitting in your
telling you,
chair watching TV. It's no big deal.
It's man hours.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
That's nothing.
Man hours.
Uh-huh. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.